With an intention to remove fear of mathematics from children and inculcate confidence in the subject, Dr. Yogesh Chandra, a certified Vedic mathematics trainer, took some time out to interact and teach mathematics to young minds at the Khasi Jaintia National Government Upper Primary School to students of Class 3 to Class 8. Speaking about Vedic mathematics, Dr. Chandra pointed out that such a system of mathematics gives students the freedom to think, which makes it simple, easy and fast. Headmistress in charge of the school, Philomena Dakar, expressed surprise that the children were able to answer his questions using a Vedic mathematics method.
As per government school, it was very good, I would say. But overall, if we see in Shillong, so yes, students do have fear of mathematics. And I think they are still to be, they still have to go through some concepts, and they are not being taught. But as far as Vedic maths is concerned, since Government of India has made this compulsory, very shortly they'll also get that privilege to learn, understand in their schools itself.
To my surprise, because when it comes to mental maths, it's difficult for the children, especially if it's not taken from earlier classes. So what happens is that they do take in classes, but what happens is it gets focused as maths is focused, and mental maths as a subject is no more a focus as much even in our school for that matter. So when he taught them as to what certain strategies that they do in Vedic maths.